So what is the difference between the Code One and the firex carbon monoxide smoke detector combo, other than $10 cheaper? I mean, if you could buy the same thing for $10 cheaper, wouldn't you? Both of them use the exact same connector. So if you're replacing an old one, you want to make sure you have the same connector. Since you've got to replace this thing every 7 years, at 7 years it starts beeping every 60 seconds. Now when I get the cover off, I notice that they're both made by the exact same company. Even though the old one's a little bigger, they both fit the same base, have the same plug, and appear to do the exact same thing for $10 less. Other than the size being a little smaller, everything adapts just like the old one. Now, one thing I noticed a little different, I noticed the new model has 2 AA's instead of a 9-volt battery. I'm kind of glad to see this. These AA's are a lot cheaper. Hopefully with these AA's, the batteries will last longer. So far, everything's hooking up just fine. Because the plugs are the same, I don't even need to put in this new one. Even the base fits, so I can slide it right into place. Now I'll push the button, test it, and make sure that everything works with the other detectors. First, I'll make sure this one works and that I can hear the other ones in the house. Now, I'm glad to see this one still has the voice just like the other one. It says fire, and eventually it'll say carbon monoxide.
Carbon monoxide.
So if there's a problem, it'll tell you which one is the problem. So for $10 less, seems like this is doing the exact same thing. So if anybody out there is wondering about the firex versus the Code One, since they're made by the same company, it looks like it's just $10 less. Now, if anybody out there's got some additional information, please leave it in the comments down below. I appreciate your time and thanks for watching.